Hi everyone, we are going to do an extreme teen clean bedroom today. It's Saturday and we've got to get this done. I'm going to get some help from my teen to get her room clean, and I'm just going to switch this camera around and let you see how terrible this room is, but today we're going to get it done, so come tackle it with me. Look at this teen bedroom, folks. Look at it. There's my toddler. There's my teen. She does have the bedding off of her bed, her sheets and stuff. There's her makeup area that's just such a mess, and there's just stuff everywhere. Okay? This room is a mess. So what we are going to do is I'm going to help her today, which I normally don't, but today I'm going to help her tackle this really messy teen bedroom. So right when we come back, we are going to do a deep clean to this room. Okay? So we'll see you in just a little bit. So in this part of the video, my daughter is basically just packing up stuff to take to Goodwill in this white basket. She has a lot of things that doesn't fit her anymore. She basically has some t-shirts and a bag and a few things that she just doesn't use anymore. So as soon as Goodwill opens, we are going to take some things out there to donate. In this next segment, you just see me basically cleaning my daughter's ceiling fan with a microfiber cloth. This is something that hasn't been done for a while, so I thought I would help her out with cleaning her ceiling fan. And this is the ending room. She did a really great job. I helped her a little bit, but she mostly did it on her own. She has this little candle that she lights in the evening. It says "Give Thanks" on the front. I'm sorry the room is so dark, but it ended up getting pretty late till we were done. But this is her room. She did a really good job. It's nice and clean now. Okay guys, we took a break from our teen extreme room clean and we're going to make some supper because we're very, very hungry. So, in this recipe, it's a sauce that only needs 3 ingredients. And the ingredients are 1 cup of orange marmalade that you're going to put into a saucepan. And then you're going to need 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I use the Sweet Baby Ray's, but you could really use any barbecue sauce that you want to. And then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So we're going to whisk that all together on medium-low heat, and then we'll come back a minute and put the chicken together. Okay, so in this skillet over here, we're going to measure out about 4 tablespoons of oil, and we're just going to set that to the side. And in this bowl right here, we have about 3 chicken breasts cut up and cubed up in the bowl. And in this bowl, we have 1 cup of flour, and in this bowl, we have 2 eggs. Here is our 3 ingredient sauce that we made earlier, and we're just, whisking that, and we're going to put it on simmer, okay? So the next step is we're going to take the chicken cubes and we're going to dip them in the egg wash and then into the flour and then into our warm skillet. We'll be right back to show you how this is put together. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and make rice. You can make brown rice, white rice. I made some white rice here on the side. And just make that according to your package instructions and set that aside. And then over here, I have the chicken that has had its egg wash and also has been dipped in the flour. And we're just going to put it with that oil into the fry pan or the skillet, and we're just going to let it get brown. See, this isn't quite brown yet. Some of it is a little bit, but we're just going to let this kind of hang out and do its thing. I have this on medium-high heat, and we're pretty much just waiting on this to get done, and then we can finish up our recipe. Right here, you just see me having the chicken placed on a paper towel to just drain off any liquid or grease from the skillet. And I'm just patting it dry with another paper towel. So after your chicken is completely cooked and brown on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes in the skillet, you're going to then take your sauce that you had cooked on the stovetop and simmered. You're going to put that in a bowl, your sauce, and then you're going to toss your chicken into the orange sauce. And then we're going to take it over to the table and plate this up. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some rice to your plate. And then some of the orange chicken on top. And this is a delicious dish when you're wanting to get Chinese takeout and you're not able to, or if you just want a Chinese takeout meal prepared at home. But this is your orange takeout chicken over white rice. And it's a delicious, quick meal. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.